Today, we will talk about how to use a foam cannon to wash your car. Let's have a look at the details. Who needs to go to the car wash when you've got a foam cannon? This fabulous tool mixes the perfect amount of soap and water to generate thick suds that stick to your vehicle and make it easy to ace a professional wash at home. Foam cannons take less time, provide better lubrication and aid against scratching, and gently lift abrasive materials off your car that would otherwise damage your paint with scrubbing. In this video, we'll teach you exactly how to use your foam cannon, as well as how to get the most out of your handy-dandy new superhero tool. The first method is foam cannon instructions. Pre-rinse your car using your pressure washer and water. Be sure to let the water sit for a few minutes, as this will help soften any caked-on dirt and grime. Fill the foam canister with vehicle soap and water. Screw off the foam canister from the foam cannon, and pour the recommended amount of soap and water, tap or distilled, into the canister in most cases. A 1:16 ratio, 1 part soap to 16 parts water, is best for use with a foam cannon. Swirl the canister around a few times to mix the suds. Connect the foam cannon to a pressure washer and adjust the settings. Once connected, check the instructions on your particular foam cannon model to learn how to adjust your soap and water control nozzles to the perfect level of water pressure and sud thickness. Spray your car liberally with foam and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Letting the soap sit on your vehicle for at least 2 to 3 minutes ensures that all the dirt and grime lift away for a spotless clean. Rinse your vehicle with the pressure washer. Detach your foam cannon from your pressure washer's lance or 1/4-inch quick connection plug. Then, using your pressure washer gun, work slowly from the top of your car to the bottom, spraying with water from right to left. As you blast away all the suds off your vehicle, rinse out the foam cannon with water and store it in a clean, dry place. Repeat with another layer of suds followed by a rinse if desired. For an ultra-clean finish, try wiping your vehicle dry using a microfiber cloth or mitt. The second method is combining a foam cannon with the 2-bucket method. Use a foam cannon and the 2-bucket method for professional results. The 2-bucket method for washing a car by hand gets your vehicle as clean as possible by using 1 bucket for clean, soapy water, and the other for dunking your dirty microfiber mitt in between wipes. When combined with the gentle lifting powers of a foam cannon, these methods form a dream team that ensures a scratch and swirl-free finish. Rinse off the foam from top to bottom with your pressure washer. Then use 1 bucket of soapy water and a microfiber mitt to wipe down each panel of your car, dunking the dirty mitt in the second bucket to clean it, before redunking it in the clean bucket between wipes. And the third method is foam cannons versus foam guns. Foam cannons connect to pressure washers, while foam guns connect to hoses. If you don't have a pressure washer but still want all the sudsing action of a foam cannon, a foam gun might be the perfect middle-of-the-road option. To use a foam gun, screw the gun onto your hose and fill the canister with a 1:16 ratio of soap to water, or adjust according to your vehicle's soap's directions. Then use it as you would a foam cannon to spray down your car with a thick layer of suds before rinsing it off with water. Pressure washers deliver higher volumes of water, which results in thicker soap suds than can be produced with a garden hose. That said, thicker suds don't mean better cleaning power. Foam guns typically don't have adjustable water pressure or soap nozzles, as a garden hose doesn't pump out high-powered volumes of water as a pressure washer would. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.